Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get unique entertainment experiences by combining the power of artificial intelligence with a robust search engine. We'll explore how these two distinct platforms can work together to enhance your leisure time. This approach offers a personalized way to discover and enjoy content, making your entertainment choices more engaging and tailored to your interests. It's a straightforward method to unlock a world of fun. Gemini, as an advanced artificial intelligence, offers a fantastic way to create custom entertainment. You can ask it to write a short story, compose a unique poem, or even develop a fun quiz tailored just for you. It's also excellent for brainstorming fresh ideas, perhaps for a themed party or a new hobby. Think of it as your personal creative assistant, ready to spark imagination and provide engaging content on demand. Next, it's time to season our sauce to perfection. Add 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, and dried oregano. For an extra layer of aromatic flavor, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Give everything a good stir, then bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. The truly unique way to get Gemini Bing Entertainment is by combining their strengths. For instance, have Gemini suggest a creative story premise, then use Bing to find images or videos that bring that story to life. Or, ask Gemini to generate a list of trivia questions, and then challenge yourself to find the answers quickly using Bing's search. This synergy offers a dynamic and highly personalized entertainment experience, making your leisure time truly one of a kind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.